make logical, intelligent decisions if there's nothing, no facts, no figures between your brains, between your ears. Another point is that when you make decisions, please, it's the good of the country, it's for the next generation. Remember that not all of us have an escape hatch like you do. We do not have billions of dollars stashed away somewhere. We do not have houses in other parts of the world that can be a safe haven for all of us. So please read, learn, go back and find out what happened in history, because if you don't know it, or you don't want to know about it, then you're just bound to make the same mistakes or commit the same mistakes. So remember, we 115 million Filipinos are stuck here. You have the freedom to fly anytime you want. You can have all the jets. You can buy all the houses, the palaces, the mansions that you want. And all the spending money that you could not even finish in how many 100 lifetimes. Please, don't make us look like fools, and maawa naman kayo sa Pilipino. Kayo walang problema eh. Marami kayong bahay sa ibang bansa. Pera. Madali kayo lumipad. Ginawa nyo na yan eh. Lumipad na kayo eh. O, di ba? So, yun lang ang aking masasabi. Kawawa naman po kami. At hindi lang mahihirap ang kawawa. Yung middle class, na paunti-unti nawawala. Yung kanilang pinag-ipunan dahil lang naniniwala sila dito sa mga propaganda, sa mga trolls, sa mga TikTok, sa mga... Hindi po yan ang kailangan namin eh. Kasi binabaliwala ninyo yung suliranin ng taong bayan. Binabaliwala nyo, hindi nyo pinapansin. Yung may reklamo, wala lang, baliwala lang lahat yan. Kasi sayawan lang, party lang, sige, biyahe lang tayo, okay. Okay lang sana kung maunlad yung bansa natin. Ngayon, meron pang Maharlika Fund. Di ba? Nakita natin sa Sweden, sa ibang bansa, na lusaw lahat yung pondo. Ang daming mga pera ng GSIS, SSS, o kung ano pa mang government institutions na ilalagay nyo dyan. Hindi yan sarili nyong alkansya. Kaya mag-ingat po kayo. Dahil, hindi lang tatahimik ang Pilipino. Alam natin yan. Naghihintay lang ng oras yan. At kung hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin ninyo, mabuti ngayon pa lang, magkaalaman na. Yun po.
Thank you. We have time for closing statement. Thank you very much, Senator Cosette. Short closing statement to summarize your views about the